What's the weather like? What's the weather like in the summer? It's usually hot and sunny. What's the weather like in the spring? It's usually mild and rainy. What's the weather like in the autumn? It's usually cool and windy. What's the weather like in the winter? It's usually cold and snowy. Sunny weather. What's the weather like today? It's sunny. This means the sun is shining brightly in the sky. There are no clouds blocking the sunlight. Should I wear sunglasses? Yes, you should wear sunglasses. Sunglasses protect your eyes when the sun is very bright. Can I wear shorts today? Yes, you can wear shorts because it's sunny and warm. Hot weather. Is it hot today? Yes, it is hot today. Hot weather means the temperature is very high. You might sweat a lot. Is it warm outside? Yes, it is warm outside. Warm means pleasantly hot, not too hot, not cold. Should I drink more water? Yes, drink more water when it's hot to stay healthy. Rainy weather. Is it raining today? No, it isn't raining today. This means no water is falling from the sky now. Are the streets wet? No, the streets are dry because it's not raining. What's the weather like in London? It's often rainy in London. Many days have rain in London. People often carry umbrellas. Cold weather. Is it cold today? No, it isn't cold today. Cold weather means low temperature that makes you shiver. Is it snowing today? No, it isn't snowing today. Snow is frozen rain that falls when it's very cold. Should I wear gloves? No, you don't need gloves because it's not very cold. Windy weather. Is it windy today? Yes, it is windy today. Windy means air is moving fast. You can see trees moving. Is there a lot of wind? Yes, there is a lot of wind. Strong wind can blow things like hats or papers. Can I fly a kite today? Yes, you can fly a kite because there's good wind. What time of year is it? It's summer. Summer is the hottest season with long sunny days. What comes after summer? Autumn comes after summer. Autumn has cooler weather and falling leaves. What should I wear today? You should wear a t-shirt today. T-shirts are good for warm weather. What will the weather be tomorrow? It will be cloudy tomorrow. Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds. Is this normal weather for summer? Yes, this is normal summer weather, warm and sometimes rainy. What time of year is it? It's autumn. Autumn is the season when leaves change colour and fall from trees. What comes after autumn? Winter comes after autumn. Winter is the coldest season, with snow in many places. What should I wear today? You should wear a light jacket today. The weather is cool but not very cold in autumn. What will the weather be tomorrow? It will be windy tomorrow. Wind blows leaves from the trees in autumn. Is this normal weather for autumn? Yes, this is normal autumn weather, cool and sometimes rainy. Should I bring an umbrella? Yes, bring an umbrella because it often rains in autumn. What time of year is it? It's winter. Winter is the coldest season with short days and long nights. What should I wear today? You should wear a warm coat, hat, and gloves today. Winter clothes keep you warm. What will the weather be tomorrow? It will snow tomorrow. Snow is frozen rain that covers the ground. Is this normal weather for winter? Yes, this is normal winter weather, cold with snow or rain. What time of year is it? It's spring. Spring is the season when flowers grow and days get warmer. What should I wear today? You should wear a sweater today. Spring mornings are cool, but afternoons are warmer. What will the weather be tomorrow? It will be sunny tomorrow. Spring has more sunny days after winter. Which season do you like best?